Hey, what's up, Math Rockstars? Today we're going to be talking about the order of operations, which we all may know as PEMDAS. Now, before we begin, let's actually just remind ourselves what PEMDAS actually stands for. The order of operations can be summed up as parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. When we look at this, this spells out PEMDAS. Now, let's remind ourselves of the order. First is parentheses, second is exponents, third is multiply and divide, going from left to right, and then fourth and last is adding and subtracting, going from left to right. This makes up the order you should follow when doing problems. Now, we may have seen the word exponents in there, and we have no idea what they are or what they mean, so let's go ahead and get a little crash course on exponents. So, an exponent can be summed up like this. There is a base, represented by x there, raised to an exponent or power, which is represented by y. The y, exponent or power, tells you the number of times to multiply the base, x, by itself. That's the number of x's get multiplied. Now, let's look at that with numbers. 5 squared, or 5 to the second power, would be 5 times 5. There's the power of 2, so it's 2 5s. That equals 25. If we look at negative numbers, we just follow the even and odd rule. So negative 3 to the third power is negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. There's 3 negative signs. That's odd, so the answer is a negative number. So it's 3 times 3 times 3, negative 27. Lastly, we have negative powers. We have that. We just think about what would be if there wasn't negative. 4 squared, 4 times 4 is 16. Then we invert the fraction. 16 over 1 becomes 1 over 16. Now, lastly, we've got practicing the order of operations following the PEMDAS rules. Let's take a look at this problem right here. So we have the quantity 5 plus 3 in parentheses plus 6 minus 2 squared plus 4 times 7 divided by 14. So if we follow the order of operations, we got to do the things in parentheses first. So 5 plus 3 becomes 8. The next step we have to look for is if we have exponents, which we do, 2 to the second power, or 2 squared, is 2 times 2, which is 4. So we'll now have 8 plus 6 minus 4 plus 4 times 7 divided by 14. We're going to have to do multiplication and division going from left to right. The first one on the left is 4 times 7, which becomes 28. Then we're going to handle division. 28 divided by 14 is 2. Then we add going from left to right. 8 plus 6 makes 14. 14 minus 4 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. And there you have it. The quantity 5 plus 3 plus 6 minus 2 squared plus 4 times 7 divided by 14 becomes 12. All said and done. Let's have one more practice, this time using negative numbers. Yay, negatives, throwing it all together, right? Just remember to follow your even and odd rules and you'll be just fine. So let's take a look at this problem here. The quantity negative 6 plus 3 squared divided by 3 plus 7 times negative 5 minus negative 4. What does that break down to? We handle stuff inside the parentheses first, and inside the parentheses there's an exponent, so we handle the exponent in the parentheses first. 3 squared times 3 is 9. Next we're going to handle the negative 6 plus 9 that's inside the parentheses. That's going to come out to 3 since the 9 is 3 bigger than the negative 6. Then we have division going from left to right. 3 divided by 3 is going to make 1. And now I have reading 1 plus 7 times negative 5 minus negative 4. Well, I got to handle multiplication next. 7 times negative 5 is going to make negative 35. Then going left to right, I handle addition and subtraction. 1 minus 35 is negative 34. Then I got negative 34 minus negative 4, which becomes plus positive 4. I add a little extra step just to remind you it becomes plus plus. Negative 34 plus 4 is negative 30, since negative 34 is 30 bigger than 4, and it's negative. And what's our summary here? PEMDAS is the order of operations. It goes parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract from left to right. Exponents tell you how many times a base multiplies by itself. Negative exponents invert or flip fractions. And lastly, PEMDAS follows even odd rules for multiplying and dividing. Now you try it out. Practice on your own. Thank you.